Lord, I bring this marriage to you. You see the strain, the distance, the hurt, and the silence that has settled between us. You know the words that were spoken in anger, the wounds that were left behind, and the heaviness we carry even when we try to act like everything is fine. Lord, where there is tension, bring peace. Where there is pride, bring humility. Where there is bitterness, bring mercy. Where there is confusion, bring wisdom. Help us speak to one another with more grace and less anger. Help us listen without preparing a defense, and understand without always needing to win. Soften the hard places in both of our hearts. Calm the sharp emotions that turn small problems into deeper pain. Teach us how to pause before speaking, how to forgive when it is difficult, and how to choose love even when we feel tired, disappointed, or misunderstood. If there are habits, attitudes, or wounds making this marriage weaker, bring them into the light. Show us what needs to change. Show us what needs to heal. Show us what needs to be laid down before it destroys what you meant to be a place of love and safety. Lord, restore what has been damaged. Rebuild trust where it has been broken. Renew tenderness where there has only been distance. Bring back patience, kindness, and the willingness to meet each other halfway. Protect this marriage from outside pressures, private resentment, and the slow drifting apart that happens when pain is ignored. Help us remember why we chose each other. Help us remember that love is not only a feeling, but also a decision, a commitment, and a daily act of grace. And if one or both of us are too tired to know where to begin, then you begin, Lord. Bring peace into this home. Bring wisdom into our words. Bring healing into what has been hurt. I place this marriage in your hands. Lead us, soften us, heal us, and teach us how to walk forward with greater love, honesty, and peace. Amen.